I hate doing chores. I'm pretty sure you do too. Wiping tables, picking up random stuff off the floor, it is the ultimate waste of human time. But I want you to look at the footage playing on your screen right now. I know your first instinct is probably to think, okay, cool CGI. Or maybe someone is remote controlling that thing from another room. But it's not CGI, and there's no guy with a joystick. This is an entirely autonomous, AI-powered humanoid robot casually cleaning up a living room. For the last few years, whenever tech companies showed off robots, it was always them doing backflips, or dancing to a pop song, or doing parkour. And honestly, I never cared. A backflipping robot is a fun party trick, but it doesn't help me on a Sunday morning when my house is a mess. This changes everything. Today, we need to have a real talk about what is actually happening in this leaked-looking footage, why this tech suddenly got so insanely good, and the very real timeline of when you might actually have one of these things walking around your kitchen. Let's actually break down what this robot is doing, because to a human brain, this looks extremely basic. Picking up an empty cup and putting a pillow back on the couch, a 3-year-old can do that. But in the robotics world, what you are watching is basically magic. Take a look at how it handles the trash on the table. For decades, robots were hard-coded. A programmer had to write thousands of lines of code saying, move arm 45 degrees, open claw 2 inches, close claw with exactly 5 pounds of pressure. If the cup was moved even half an inch to the left, the robot would grab empty air and fail. But this robot isn't blindly following a script. It's using advanced vision models to map the room in real time. It figures out what the table is, identifies the apple core or the crushed cup, and realizes, hey, that's trash. It goes in the bin. If you know anything about engineering, you know that robots absolutely hate squishy, unpredictable things. Fabric, clothes, pillows. They shift and change shape when you touch them. Picking up a rigid metal bolt is easy. Picking up a soft pillow, adjusting your grip so it doesn't slip. Carrying it over and placing it perfectly back where it belongs. That requires real-time tactile feedback. It literally has to feel what it's holding and adjust its grip on the fly. It's understanding the context of the room. It knows that pillows live on the couch and trash lives in the garbage. So the big question is, why now? I mean, for the last 10 years, our idea of a robot helper has been a little plastic disc that vacuums your rug and immediately gets stuck under the TV stand. How did we jump from a confused Roomba to a humanoid maid? Companies like Figure AI, which looks heavily connected to this specific footage, Tesla with their Optimus project, and Boston Dynamics realized that coding every single movement is a dead end. Instead, they started treating robots like ChatGPT. Just like ChatGPT learned to write by reading the entire internet, these robots are learning to move by watching video data. They are feeding these machines thousands of hours of humans doing household chores. The AI watches, it tries, it fails, it adjusts, and it learns. We are finally giving cutting-edge artificial intelligence a physical body, and the result is a general-purpose robot. Not a machine built to do just one thing on an assembly line, but a machine that can learn to do anything a human can do. Now, let me be totally real with you for a second. Before you fire your cleaner and start setting up a charging dock in your hallway, there is a catch. As mind-blowing as this footage is, we aren't quite at the finish line yet. If you look closely, the robot is still moving pretty deliberately. It's a little slow. Battery life is also a huge bottleneck right now. These things take an incredible amount of power to run those massive AI brains while moving heavy metal limbs. And then there's the price. When these first hit the market, they are going to be completely unaffordable for normal people. We're talking the price of a luxury sports car, easily 50 to 100 grand. They'll be bought by massive corporations to work in warehouses, factories, and maybe doing hazardous jobs humans shouldn't be doing. But think about the trajectory of tech. Think about flat-screen TVs or the very first smartphones. They started out as ridiculously expensive luxury items, and within a decade, everyone had one in their pocket. The smartest people in the tech industry are betting that within the next 10 to 15 years, a robot like the one you just watched will cost about the same as a cheap used car. We are genuinely looking at the end of chores. In our lifetime, doing the laundry, scrubbing the floor, and taking out the trash could become obsolete. But I have a serious question for you, and I really want to know what you guys think down in the comments. Let's say it's 10 years from now. The robot costs 20 grand. It can do 100% of your chores flawlessly. Are you buying one? Or does the idea of a 7-foot-tall AI walking around your house while you sleep completely creep you out? Drop your thoughts below. I'm going to be reading them. If you found this breakdown interesting, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on where this crazy tech is heading next. Catch you in the next one.